drink. Let's get this back up. At least somewhat. Nope. No one needs to see up there. Alright. Let's open this. Take a shot of it. Alright. This is the drink that it came in. I'm fucking childproof. Come on. Oh, it's that marble thing! Wait. How the fuck? Thank you. Okay, I'm guessing the cap, there's a marble in there. So if I see it correctly, go in and push it in. Oh, DJ, your phone died, I'm sorry. It died, it really did die, that's what I said. Alright. I'm not gonna look it up. Jerk it open. Alright, here it goes. What do you mean, jerk it open? Do you? This is like childproof to me. Wait. I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, push. Okay. That's what I figured. Well, the other ones that I see at Zen Garden are the long glass ones. Never this little. Oh, wait. Am I breaking that thing? Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I'm going to get it. I'm guessing this. Please tell me that I'm doing it right. And then you push it down, right? Yeah, got it! Ah! Everywhere. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Hold on. Be back. Oh fuck. Oh no.